Got Kemp here, the Hammond doc, showing you how I clean the terminals on a Hammond AO28 preamplifier. I use this Hatco. This is a Hatco 300, the Hatco FR 300. I use this little file here. You can pick these up at Walmart. Actually, little bead reamers. I have a bunch of them over here. Because I use them all the time for cleaning holes, and of course I use my needle nose pliers. Let's get busy here. The little bead reamer has it's a file. And it's good to wear the safety glasses when doing this. So it's good to wear those safety glasses. All right, here we go. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. Let me lay this down. So you can see these are all blocked up. And I want them clean like this, so I've cleaned these already. I've already cleaned these, so I'm working on the ones that now have solder in them. Okay. This Hatco, it sucks up solder. Sucks up the old solder. So it heats and sucks. And it melts the old solder. It melts the old solder and sucks it up. I've been using my needle nose pliers. I made to pull out some of the wire, the old wiring. After I finish doing this, then I'll come back with my metal brush and my deoxit. And cleaning these terminals makes it easier to solder the wires from the organ, I want to reattach the organ wires onto this AO28. So I always do this for the customers, so that my clients would be more likely to have a good. Now I'll go back, get a solder joint on each of these terminals. I'll go and do this one, and all of these as well. But just to show you what else I do, I'm gonna cut this off. Then I'll take my deoxit here. Spray it on there, like so. Then I'll use this. Across the terminals. Then any terminal it's a little crooked. I'll straighten it up. And that came out of it. All those terminal holes. And so, now let me show you what it looks like.